carrot finely chopped, 1 finely chopped capsicum, it can be the color of your choice, and 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, and 1 finely chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of butter. First, break the eggs, add salt and half teaspoon of pepper and mix thoroughly. Cut the center of the bread as I am doing here and then separate the 2 parts as shown. It should be like this. Now let's prepare the bread sandwich. First, heat the pan. Add 2 tablespoons of butter into it. Allow it to melt. Add onions and saute for a minute. No need to saute till it becomes golden brown. Add capsicum and saute for some time. Now add carrots and saute for a while. Now sprinkle little salt over it. Make veggies in a square shape as I am doing over here. Make it 3 parts. Pour in the egg batter on the top of it. Let it spread all around. Now sprinkle the mozzarella cheese over it. Now cover the sliced bread over it and let it toast for a while. Flip it once it turns to golden brown. And let it toast for a minute. Now it's ready to serve. Wow, our yummy sandwich is ready. You can enjoy the snack with ketchup or chutney. Wow, really, it tastes like a pizza. Now it's time for our second bread sandwich. For this, we need 4 slices of bread, cheese, spreadable cheese, mayonnaise, slices of tomato and slices of cucumber. Cut off the sides of the bread as I am doing over here. Now spread cheese on one side and mayonnaise on other side. Now arrange the cucumber and tomato slices on both the sides. Now join them. The bread sandwich is ready. Continue the same process with other bread. This simple and yummy sandwich can be taken to the school or a office as a snack. Otherwise, you can eat the savory sandwich for your breakfast. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.